Holy heck, it is cold outside, you guys. So of course, if you're stuck inside like I am, what else to do but draw? So this piece is the one that I finished in this video, and I really like the way it turned out. Welcome to my channel. My name is Lothlenan. I do art discussions here every week. In today's video, I'm going to be painting gold pigment onto a Howl's Moving Castle piece. Now this is my Howl's Moving Castle piece. It is one of my favorite pieces. If you'd like a print, just click the link below. So this piece in particular is based off of Gustav Klimt's The Kiss. And if you know any of Gustav Klimt's work, you will know that he really liked to use gold foil on his work. And because I'm a digital artist, I can't really do that during the painting process. It's something that has to be applied afterwards. A way you can do that is take your digital work and turn it into mixed media work. And gold foil can be a little bit unruly to use. So what I'm doing for this piece in particular is I am taking gold pigment paint. I personally love the finetec palette. As you can see, it is very well used. If I ever am doing gold leaf though, I have been known to use this. I don't often do these because it is extremely time consuming and it's something that is additional on top of all the time I already spent making the original painting. But I do really love the look of it, so I do it time to time, and if you're interested, sometimes I sell them on my store. It is an incredibly intricate process though, so if you would like to see how I do it, then check the video out.
Sound like hypnosis, focus, keep your mind open. Notice that your body's dropping. 1, 2, 3. And apotheosis is what you are. You just know this and you elevate yourself. Simply repeat with me. You know I am that guy all the time. Elevate, simply repeat. You know I am that guy all the time. Bring it back now. I'm so cool. I'm so fly. I'm so cool. That's right. I'm that type. I'm so fly. That's right. I'm that type.
So this piece is the one that I finished in this video, and I really like the way it turned out. In next week's video, I'm actually going to be applying the metal leaf to this, so you can kind of see what I mean and how I do it. So when I do this, I use a special paper that can accept the pigment that I'm going to paint on it. That is the only way that I can successfully make this a mixed media piece. So I have to take one of my giclée pieces and I have to sacrifice one of those and hope that this process goes well. My giclée pieces are 100% cotton rag paper. They are pH balanced, acid free, and they have like a very nice toothy watercolory texture. If you're interested in getting a giclée piece from me, or maybe one of these mixed media pieces, make sure you sign up to my newsletter, because anytime I open my shop, I will send info to people on my newsletter list. Okay, so personal plug over. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that was kind of zen and helpful and entertaining. If you want to see more of me, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that little notification bell in the corner, because that will actually let you know when I post and then you won't miss anything. Of course, if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and also share it with your friends who might be interested.